Oh, it's almost done. See? It's right there. This thing don't Yes! We got it!
We got it!
Got the Iron Man. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Let's play.
Yay. Yay.
Oh, yeah?
Amen. Amen.
LRONMAN 3.
This anime is so cool.
Seems so funny.
Yeah, I know.
Looks aren't everything.
Yeah,
Why is it not working?
of course. What's anime is gonna? Let's go away.
Oh, it's welding. It's welding. See that green thing? It's all the way there. It's welding. Quite for a few hours. Dad, you can watch us. You can come over here, Tane. You want to play with this tablet?
No.
Well, I'm playing Iron Man.
I want anime.
Tane, you can go after me, okay?
SMB.
No, first me,
Okay.
then you, okay? You have to share.
That's not sharing. That's dictating. Sharing is letting Taden go first, and then you go after him.